Hello and a very good morning to all our viewers. You're watching the morning news show on CNN News 18 and I'm Sakshi Singh Litoria. Over the next 30 minutes, we'll be walking you through the top headlines from the nation and across the globe. At the top of this segment, taking you straight to Bangladesh. Violence continues to grip Chittagong as tensions rise after the arrest of Hindi spiritual leader Chinmoy Krishna Das. The situation took a grim turn with the brutal killing of public prosecutor Saiful Islam Atif. Intensifying unrest in the region, though, Chinmoy Das, whose bail plea was denied twice, has now been sent to 10 days of judicial custody. This has sparked outrage amongst Hindu communities over there. The Ministry of External Affairs has now condemned the rising violence against minorities in Bangladesh, calling for urgent steps to ensure their safety as well. However, Bangladesh's Foreign Ministry defends the arrest, saying it has been misinterpreted by certain sections. With the situation now growing more tense, the relationship between India and Bangladesh now hangs in the balance.
There has been a lot of ruckus also. We're given to understand a lawyer has been murdered at that court. Things are only turning from bad to worse.
Yeah, situation is very dire. Whenever I'm getting call from Bangladesh, there is one bad news after one bad news. Just I was speaking and after this lawyer was killed, now some Muslims mobs are going and targeting Hindu places of worship. So things like this is very concerning. There is no end of all. Like we are not seeing an end to all this. For 100 days, we are seeing this unabated attack on Hindus, their properties, and what government is doing, that is very baffling. Today, Ministry of External Affairs, they have issued a statement in support of Chinmoy Krishna Das, and we hope that the Nobel Prize winner, interim government, interim Prime Minister of Bangladesh, interim caretaker government, they should act immediately and stop all this. For last 34, 35
Twice
hours,
he's been denied bail, Radha Ramanji, and also on the charge of sedition. Is that a valid charge on Chinmoy Krishna Das Prabhu? Is this about what happened in Rangpur or what happened in Chattogram?
This sedition case was filed, if you remember, in Raleigh. Somebody raised one flag which was higher than the Bangladeshi flag. But you have seen that how all these Hindus, they respect and love the Bangladeshi flag. So that is completely false charge. And initially they were telling that this was Escalation flag. Actually, Escalation, we don't have any flag. So these are all false cases filed to scuttle the voices of people like Chinmoy Krishna Das. The sedition charge was filed against 18 people who are the face of this protest.
Right.
And we saw that how he was picked from airport, and he was picked by plainclothes policeman, and just when he was getting picked, then the devotee was accompanying him. He sent me a voice message and said that, Prabhu, we don't know, so few people that taking him like this. Initially, he thought that he is being kidnapped by some terrorist group. But later they found out they were police personnel in civil dress from detective department. So things like this is very shocking.
CNN News 18's Akanksha Swarup is joining us on the phone line early this morning. Akanksha, a very good morning to you. Situation continues to remain grim in Bangladesh at this point of time. What's the latest that you have picked up from your sources?
The latest we've picked up is that the Bangladesh Ministry of Foreign Affairs has in fact come up with a rebuttal to India's statement that was sent out yesterday in the evening. It was a strong statement because remember, the External Affairs Ministry in its statement had questioned Bangladesh's approach when it comes to all of those who were vandalizing property, who were resorting to violence, the perpetrators of those violence, they remain at large. But somebody who is in fact a priest had been only peacefully protesting like Chinmoy Prabhudas had been arrested, and to which the Bangladesh Foreign Ministry in fact has come up with a statement saying that the government of Bangladesh is committed to protecting the minority rights and that they, in their statement, in fact, are claiming that the Indian government is maligning Bangladesh's reputation. So, yes, if you look at it diplomatically, also the situation has escalated further. We'll have to see how this goes to the highest echelons of our diplomacy. Will the heads of states, in fact, go on a hotline with regards to the situation, which is quickly spiraling out of control? We've, in fact, also seen how Mohammed Yunus's office has reacted. He's also condemned the killing of the lawyer that took place. But as far as taking onus of the kind of violence and vandalism that has taken place overnight, Sakshi, we are also learning of reports that are indicating that a Kali Mandir was burnt down, and there's in fact bodies of families are being discovered. There's mobs are going on a rampage, and this kind of violence has in fact only escalated further overnight.
Right, Akanksha, in fact, we have got some breaking news with regards to what you told our viewers just now.